Hi everybody, thanks for watching. So you went out and bought yourself a Mavic Mini by DJI. That's a new ultralight 249 gram drone. Not a very big toy, not a very big drone, not a very big camera. Once you open the box and get them, you see both the controller and the drone itself are about the size of an average cell phone. And they're not, when you walk around them, the most rigid system around there. So they're a little bit fragile and you want to protect them. So today I wanted to show you one way to protect them. This is a soft-sided portable travel bag for the DJI Mavic Mini Drone. This is made by TOMAT, or TOMAT, however you want to say it. This itself is also lightweight. I think it's 0.33 kilograms, so if you go to English system, that's about a little bit less than 3/4 of a pound. But inside you've got this nice nylon mesh for all the accessories in here. Battery, 2 battery slots already cut into the polyurethane, and you've got the charger port, the accessories port or slot. But these things are actually, I'm going to do it right in front of you. Pull these out. You see this first one is for the controller. It's got the slots on top for the antenna. We'll pull out the drone cutout, and you see that the drone, once it folds up its propellers, fits in there nice. And what this gives you is peace of mind that this thing is not going to rock around like in a camera bag. I bought my DJI Mavic Mini as part of a set. They gave me a camera bag, but it was basically a DLSR camera bag. Nothing form-fitting for this. You can put in your cable in here. You can put in your extra joysticks or propellers in here and a couple batteries. Right now I just have a single battery. And you can put some accessories up here. What this does give you is a nice, sleek, lightweight, portable, little, almost like lunchbox size briefcase to protect it. It'll keep it, you're hearing the little tags there, keep it from getting beat up and jostled. It is not shock proof, it is not dust proof, it is not waterproof. It's if you want those, you need to go up to the next size, next grade. But sometimes you don't want to walk in with a shock-proof case. Sometimes that draws more attention than you want, so this little lunchbox thing fits the bill nicely for that. Price-wise, as of November 19, this is going to set you back about $20, maybe $23, depending on the vendor you get. Again, this is the TOMAT Mavic Mini carrying case. Dimensions on this, I think, are about 28 centimeters, 19 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. About the size of a lunchbox. Sleek. You can stick your company sticker on there if that's the thing you want to do. And you're not going to break the bank with it. Alright, that's my quick review. I like this. It is fast to set up, easy to use, protects your drone, just not shock proof. So this is kind of intermediate use. Thanks for watching.